Great value for this full brick home in one of Oak Ridge's most desirable communities. Flexible floor plan can be 4 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms and a bonus room. Spacious kitchen has tile flooring and breakfast area. Owner's suite with a large walk-in closet and bath with tile flooring, double vanities, whirlpool tub and separate shower. The 20 by 13 family room has hardwood flooring, a storage closet and door to the 22-foot deck. Level backyard and a short stroll to the community park and pool, membership optional. Near greenbelt walking trails to the marina. See pictures for the rest of this story.